video will show you how to sign up for masses using the Sign Up Genius link. When you click the link for Sign Up Genius, you will be sent to a page that looks something like this. Now, if you notice, there is a lot of information right here, and up at the top there are multiple tabs. If you can see where my mouse is moving right now, you will see there are multiple tabs. If I click this arrow, I can scoot over to the different masses that are available each week. Now, please notice the Saturday masses right now are in dark blue, the Sunday masses are in white, and the weekday masses are going to be in a lighter color blue. What you're going to need to do is choose the mass that you would like to attend. So right now I've clicked the Sunday 11:30 a.m. mass, and I can see here this is for the week of May 16, so I know that's going to be Sunday, May 17th, as it says on the tab. I'm going to scroll down here, make sure to read the information. We have directives regarding what is required of you to attend mass. Those are available on the website, and we'll also have this link right here available so you can review those before you attend. What you're going to need to do is scroll down here, and then I'm going to click this button that says Sign Up. I click Sign Up, I'm going to click Submit and Sign Up, and it's going to ask me a few questions. I'm going to need to fill out my name. I need to say how many people will be attending with me. Remember, even your children need to be listed because we are limited in capacity. So your infant is counted as one person according to the regulations. So you're going to scroll down here, and then what we would like to do is have you, if you're willing to help out at Mass in any way, ushering, or if you're a trained Eucharistic communion minister, go ahead and put that in the comments here. We do need your first name and your last name, your email. We need your phone numbers because if there's any problems, like if we are going to not be able to have Mass, or if there's any changes that we need you to notify you of, we need to have your contact information. So please complete this fully. You need to select that you have read the directives, and then you hit Sign Up Now, and that is all that is required of you.